በዓለም ባንክ ዋና አዘጋጅነትና በጤና ሚኒስቴር ተባባሪነት የተዘጋጀው ይህ የምክክር መድረክ የምስራቅና የደቡብ አፍሪካ ሀገራትን የጤና፣ የፋይናንስና የቴክኖሎጂ ባለሙያዎች በአንድ ጠረጴዛ ላይ አሰባስቧል። የመድረኩ ዋና ዓላማ ዲጂታል ቴክኖሎጂዎችን በመጠቀም የመጀመሪያ ደረጃ የጤና አገልግሎትን እንዴት ማጠናከርና ተደራሽ ማድረግ ይቻላል የሚለው ላይ ያተኮረ ነው። በአዲስ አበባ በተካሄደው በዚህ የምክክር መድረክ ጉዳዩ በትኩረት ተነስቷል። የጤና አጠባበቅ ስርዓቱን ዘመናዊና ውጤታማ ለማድረግ በቴክኖሎጂ ታግዞ መጓዝ የግድ ነው። በዚህ ረገድ የዲጂታል ጤና ስርዓቶች ጠንካራ የመጀመሪያ ደረጃ የጤና አገልግሎትን በመገንባት ያላቸው ሚና ከፍተኛ ነው። የዓለም ባንክ በአገራቱ የጤና ስርዓት ውስጥ ዲጂታል መሠረተ ልማቶችን ለመዘርጋት የሚያደርገው ጥረት ተጠናክሮ ቀጥሏል። ባንኩ በተለይም አገራት በዲጂታል ጤና መረጃ አያያዝ፣ የርቀት ሕክምና ወይም ቴሌሜዲሲን እንዲሁም አውቶሜትድ የመመርመሪያ ስርዓቶች ላይ ኢንቨስት እንዲያደርጉ የገንዘብና የቴክኒክ ድጋፍ በማድረግ ላይ ይገኛል። ይህ ጥረት ለጤና መረጃ አስተማማኝና ለውሳኔ ሰጪዎችም ፈጣን መረጃ እንዲደርስ ትልቅ ሚና እየተጫወተ ነው። በምክክር መድረኩ ላይ የኢትዮጵያ አርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ኢንስቲትዩት ምክትል ዋና ዳይሬክተር ዶክተር ታዬ ግርማ ኢትዮጵያ የአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ቴክኖሎጂን ከጤናው ዘርፍ ጋር ለማስተሳሰር እየተገበረች ያለችውን ተሞክሮ አጋርተዋል።
It is fully a government institution and fully supported by the political leaders, and it is fully committed to serve and to work with the private and even we want our African member states to start from our shoulder. We don't want them to start from the scratch. Tomorrow you will have a good opportunity to visit what we are doing, how we are doing, how far we have came from since 2020. So I hope you will see how much we are committed to help our fellow brothers and sisters from member states. We need to change our mindset up in a way that not to be only a buyers. There is an opportunity for us to sell as well. So that health data are very sensitive. It's very sensitive. Now we built an AI models on the data, and that data should be well secured, and that data should be well handled. There are cases that where we work with the partners and with donors that where we have to open up. There are cases that we need a support. There are cases where they need a data in a way that solution can be a global solutions. And that solution might not be in our capability to be built. So that data protection must be done. And that is why we have to grow local talents. We have to build the local solutions.
ምክትል ዋና ዳይሬክተሩ የሰው ሰራሽ አስተውሎት የጤና አገልግሎትን ውጤታማና ተደራሽ ለማድረግ ቁልፍ መሳሪያ ነው ብለዋል። ይህንን እውን ለማድረግም ኢንስቲትዩቱ ከጤናው ዘርፍ ባለሙያዎች ጋር በቅርበት እየሰራ እንደሚገኝ አስታውቀዋል።
So clear collaboration agreement commitment has to be there between the AI solution providers and the solution seekers. And the other thing is there should be a shared implementation roadmap between the playing or the actors in this area. And the other thing is they have to also define well-defined technical standards that every players will buy. Okay, so if that is the case, then there is a commitment between the playing actors in this activity or in this commitment.
ዶክተር ታዬ ግርማ በዘርፉ ውጤታማ ለመሆን የሶስትዮሽ ትብብር ወሳኝ መሆኑን አንስተዋል። የጤና ባለሙያው፣ የቴክኖሎጂ አልሚዎችና የመንግስት አካላት የተቀናጀ ሥራ መስራት እንዳለባቸው ገልጸዋል።
So the first thing is the health ministry or the health professionals and the AI or the digitalization team has to properly identify in the coin national health priorities. Where are the health priorities? Where are sectors or areas which are going to be a societal burden? That has to be clearly identified. Then the solution should not be built independently if we want to govern it very well. If we want to control over the AI solutions or the digital solution that we build, we have to co-design together. Okay, the AI expert and the domain experts, the physicians, has to be in parts of the design. So that AI solutions or the digital solution has to be co-designed. And they has to be also parts of the validation. So they have to validate. The AI experts or the digital experts will validate the platform or the solution as per their criteria, technical parameters. But the physicians has to play also a critical role in validating those solutions. And then they has to be also co-deploy those solutions, and they have to also monitor together. So if that is the case, they will, they can build a well-suited governing framework to monitor all those solutions. If the solution built somewhere else and you are building some standard, some governing framework somewhere else, it doesn't fit. So this AI solution or AI platform needs an interdisciplinary teamwork. So you cannot bring a single framework that fits to every AI solutions. So the governing capacity will be built if all interdisciplinary teams came together, co-design it, define the technical standard, and re-evaluate it, validate it, and also committed to monitor it during the operational. That way you can bring. And there has to be also a political commitment. Okay, it's not only about the physicians, it's not only about the AI expert. The commitment has to be there from the leaders leading these institutions.
በተለይም የአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ቴክኖሎጂ አጠቃቀም በስነ ምግባራዊ መርሆች መመራት እንዳለበት አጽንኦት ሰጥተዋል። ቴክኖሎጂው በጤናው ዘርፍ የሚኖረው ተሳትፎ እያደገ መምጣቱ የመረጃ አያያዝን ከማዘመን ባለፈ የሕክምና ስህተቶችን ለመቀነስና ፈጣን ሕክምና ለመስጠት ወሳኝ መሆኑ ይታመናል። አገራት በዲጂታል የጤና ስርዓት ላይ የሚያደርጉት ጥረት ለጠንካራ የመጀመሪያ ደረጃ የጤና አጠባበቅ መሰረት ይሆናል ተብሎም ይጠበቃል። ይህ የዓለም ባንክና የኢትዮጵያ መንግስት ጥምረት በቀጠናው ውስጥ ያሉ ሀገራትን ወደ ዲጂታል የጤና ምዕራፍ ለማሸጋገር ትልቅ ተስፋ የሚሰጥ ነው።